Hi there! So in this video, I will teach you how to fix Spotify playing random songs. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your application is on the latest version. After you've done that, you can head to Spotify and this is what Spotify will look like. So you can choose a song and as you can see here, when the first song ended, this will head on to choose another song that is not the second song. So to fix that, you can see here on the lower right corner, this icon that is color green. You need to click on that to make it color white. So what this icon do is this shuffles the song. So each song will be played in random. Now that you turn up the shuffle button, this will now prompt it to play the song in order that you want it to be. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow for more.